Classic Italian potato frittata. Potato frittata is low-calorie, easy to make with very simple ingredients, and cheap and comfort food. Watch this video's instructions and try one of the most traditional Italian recipes loved by kids and grown-ups. Take 3 big potatoes, wash and peel. Chop into thin slices. You can also use sweet potatoes. Whisk 3 fresh eggs until well combined. Season with dried basil, cumin, ground black pepper, and salt. Mix well. Chop green onion finely and add to the bowl. In a medium frying pan, melt 100 grams of the unsalted butter. You can replace it with extra virgin olive oil. Put in raw sliced potatoes and cook over high heat for 7 minutes on one side. Then turn on another and cook for 3 more minutes. Top with the egg mixture. Cook with the lid for 5 minutes until eggs will be done. Remove the pan from the heat and carefully slide the frittata onto a serving plate. Serve with green onion and olives. Enjoy your potato frittata! You can add meat, cheese, or vegetables to this recipe. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.